Hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part 12 by parts formula, integration of uv dx equal u into integration of v dx minus u dash integration of v dx and whole dx. For this we have selection. What is the selection of the u? Isolate. I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithm, A for algebra, T for trigonometry, E for exponential form. For example, integration of x cube into e power x dx. This is, by using this, it's take time, minimum 2 minutes take. So the shortcut I am going to explaining, x cube is the u because which is algebra, this is the v integration, e power x, v function. So first function you apply the differentiation x cube differentiation 3x square, next 6x, next differentiation 6, next differentiation is 0. Now next function is e power x, integration is e power x, first write only integration, next e power x integration, this integration e power x, this integration e power x, multiply this, first plus minus x cube into e power x minus 3x square into e power x plus 6x into e power x minus 6 into e power x. E power x take common, x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 is the answer. Okay, this is a shortcut, and if you can by try yourself like this, it's take time. See, first x cube e power x cube divided 3x square, next second time you have to apply integration, third time 3 times, it's take more than 2 minutes. So instead of that, this is easy. If x power 5 is there here, if x power 5 is there, by using this formula it's take time, by shortcut is easy. But this shortcut is when it is applicable, then what is the u function, first function, the differentiation, it should be 0 in finite terms, then only it is applicable. If not 0, this shortcut is not applicable. In that case, go for regular method only. Yes. See, 284 question number, integration of x into e power x dx. Tell me what is the u? X. What is the v? E power x. Algebra, this is exponential form. Algebra comes first, than this. X differentiation 1 differentiation 0. E power x integration e power x plus minus multiply, finish the answer, x into e power x minus e power x plus c. E power x take common, x minus 1 plus c. 285 integration of x square e power x dx. These are same thing, x square differentiation 2x differentiation 2. E power x integration e power x multiply, plus minus plus, x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 into e power x plus c. E power x take common. 286 integration of x square into 2 power 3x dx. This is the u, this is the exponential form v. X square differentiation 2x differentiation 2, next differentiation 0, 2 power 3x integration 2 power 3x by log 2 and 3 log 2, again because 3 power x differentiation 3 write in denominator. This integration 2 power 3x by 3 log 2 means 3 log 2 whole square. This differentiation 2 power 3x by 3 log 2 whole cube, multiply this, plus minus plus. This is okay, x square into 2 power 3x by 3 log 2 minus 2x into 2 power 3x by 3 log 2 whole square plus 2 into 2 power 3x by 3 log 2 whole cube. This is okay. 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. Check the options. Next 287 integration of e power log x cos x dx. What is the base? E, x into cos x dx. This is the u and this is the v, trigonometry function. Algebra comes first. X differentiation is 1 differentiation is 0. Cos x integration sin x integration minus cos x, multiply x into sin x minus cos x plus c. 288 integration of x square a power x dx. X square derivative is 2x, 2x derivative is 2. Next differentiation 0. A power x log a, integration of this. A power x by this integration log a whole square. A power x by log a whole cube. Plus minus plus, multiply this, that is the answer. Okay. Next 289 integration of x into cosec x into cot x dx. Which is this is trigonometry v, this is the first function u. X derivative is 1. Cosec x into cot x integration minus cosec x. Cosec x integration minus cosec x integration log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. Log of tan x by 2 plus minus multiply minus x cosec x plus log of tan x by 2 plus c. Same 290 also same thing. 291 integration of log x dx. Yes, here what is u log x? V is 1, but log x differentiation, it never gets 0. It never gets 0 by applying differentiation. First 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square differentiation minus 2 by x cube, never comes 0. That's why for log x, this technique, this shortcut is fail. Then go for regular method. This is the u and this is the v. u log x, integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of log x, integration of 1 dx and whole dx. So log x, integration of 1 is x, log x derivative is 1 by x dx, get cancel. X log x minus integration of 1 dx is x plus c. This is the answer. X take common, log x minus 1 plus c. Integration of e power x 2 cube log of base 2x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Then what is f of x? E power x 2, this comes up log of x cube base 2 dx, e raised to x log this base equal, which is equal x cube dx. X cube into e power x, x cube is the u, x cube differentiation 3x square differentiation 6x, 6x differentiation 6, e power x integration e power x, multiply, plus minus. What is the common here? E power x, x cube minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 6. This is the f of x, equating with this. Next 293 integration of e power x squared minus 5x plus 8 into dx, same, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So what is the f of x? This is the u, this is the v. This differentiation x squared minus 5x plus 8 differentiation 2x minus 5, this differentiation 2. Next 0. e power x integration e power x, e power x, e power x. Multiply and take common. Plus, minus, plus. E power x take common here. X square minus 5x plus 8 minus 2x plus 5 plus 2. Simply plus c. This is the answer. F of x. X square minus 7x, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. Next, 293 over 294. Integration of cos x log of cos x dx equal to sin x into log of cos x plus log of sec x plus tan x plus f of x plus c. This is also UV method. UV, which is here u is a direct shortcut. Don't use shortcut here. Cos x and log of cos x. The logarithm is u. This is v. Proceed that method. U log of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Derivative of log x is 1 by cos x into minus sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x dx. Okay, so sin x into log of cos x minus minus plus sin x by cos x, sin square x by cos x, right? This is tan x. Tell me, this is integration of sin square x by cos x. Sin square x by cos square x. Right? This how can solve? 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x dx. Then we will get plus 1 by cos x secant x minus cos x dx. Finish. Secant x integration log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 minus cos x integration sin x plus c. This is do same thing. Next, 295. Integration cos x by x minus sin x into log x dx. Right, this is the good question. This simple technique here, nothing here, note by u into v also will get it. Direct I am going to solving. Cos x derivative is here, log x derivative is here. Simple. D by dx of cos x into log x. See, cos x log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x cos x derivative is minus sin x. Derivative integration cancel, which is equal to cos x into log x. Property integration of d by dx of f of x equal to f of x plus c. This is the answer. Cos x into log x plus c. Next, one more method is last method in the integration, which is very important. Compulsory question, one question in CET. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Next, the question number is 296. Integration of e power x sin x plus cos x dx. This is the f of x, this is the f dash x. So tell me the answer is e power x into sin x plus c. Integration of e power x cosec x into 1 minus cot x dx. E power x, multiply here cosec x minus cosec x into cot x dx. This derivative is here. So tell me the answer, e power x into cosec x plus c. Next, integration of e power x 1 plus root of 1 minus x square sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. E power x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, this get cancelled, sin inverse x dx. This derivative is here e power x into sin inverse x plus c. Next, e power x into 1 plus tan x plus tan square x dx. E power x into tan x 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x dx. This derivative is here. Tell me the answer. E power x into tan x. E power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x plus c. Next, question number 300, integration of e power x cot x minus cot square x dx. E power x cot x minus cot square x cosec square x minus 1 dx. Okay, e power x, this is a plus 1 plus cot x and minus cosec square x. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. One derivative is 0, cot x derivative is minus cosec square x. F of x plus f dash x equal e power x into 1 plus cot x plus c. 301, x into e power x dx by x plus 1 whole square. Right? E power x, x. Add plus 1 and minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. E power x into this by this 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This derivative is here e power x into 1 by x plus 1 plus c. (302) Integration of x minus 1 by x square into e power x dx. E power x, x by x square is 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. See, this derivative is here e power x into 1 by x plus c. 303, x plus 9 into e power x by x plus 10 whole square dx. E power x into x plus 9 we can write 10 minus 1 by x plus 10 whole square dx. E power x, x plus 10 by x plus 10 whole square 1 by x plus 10 minus 1 by x plus 10 whole square dx. This is f of x, this is the f dash x. So answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 10. Next question is e power x into x plus 4 by x plus 6 whole cube dx. E power x into x plus 6 minus 2 by x plus 6 whole cube dx. E power x, this by this 1 by x plus 6 whole square minus 2 by x plus 6 whole cube dx. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. So, e power x into 1 by x plus 6 whole square plus c. 305, integration of e power x, x minus 15 by x minus 5 whole power 11 dx. E power x, this form we have to create in numerator, x minus 5 minus 10 by x minus 5 whole power 11 dx. E power x, this by this 1 by x minus 5 whole power 10 minus 10 by x minus 5 whole power 11 dx. This derivative is here. So answer is e power x into x minus y whole power 10. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. Next question is e power x 2 plus sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. E power x into, this is 2 plus sine 2x, we can write 2 sine x into cos x by 2 cos square x. E power x, this by this secant square x plus this get cancelled, tan x into tan x, that is only, right? This is the f of x, this is the f dash x. Then tell me the answer, e power x into tan x plus c. Three nought 7, e power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. E power x, 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2, 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. E power x, 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 equal to cos x square x by 2, this get cancelled, tan cot x by 2, right? This derivative is here, minus cot x by 2 derivative is this, is cos square x by 2 into 1 by 2 minus minus plus. So this is f of x is this is, and this is the f dash x. So e power x into minus cot x by 2. Next 308, 2 into e power x root of 1 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. 2 into e power x 1 plus sin 2x equals sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x into sin x plus cos x whole square, get cancelled, sin x plus cos x by 2 cos square x. 2 into e power x, by splitting here sin 1 by 2 here, or 2 get cancelled here, right? Sin x by cos square x, tan x into sec x into tan x, plus cos by cos square x is 1 by cos x sec x dx. Sec x differentiation here, sec x into tan x. This is the f of x, this is f dash x. So the answer is e power x into sec x plus c. E power x into sec x plus c. Next 309, e power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay, e power x, this make it this form here, x square minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. E power x, x square minus 1 we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. E power x, this by this cancel, x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is differentiation is this is f of x and this is f dash x. You can find by u by v method, you will get this is. The answer is e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 310, integration of e power x 1 minus x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. E power x a minus b 1 minus x whole square 1 plus x square whole square dx. E power x a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab by 1 plus x square whole square dx. E power x, this get cancelled, 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. This derivative is this. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. So answer is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of e power x 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole square dx. E power x, this is 1 plus x, no, make it this form, 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square dx. 2 minus 1 is 1. E power x, 2 plus x by this is 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square dx. This differentiation is here, f of x and f dash x. So e power x into 1 by 2 plus x plus c. 312. Integration of e power x by x 1 plus x log x. E power x, take inside 1 by x plus log x dx. This differentiation is here, so e power x into log x plus c. E power x into log x plus c. Next, 313. Integration of g of x dx equal to g of x. Then integration of g of x, integration of, bracket, f of x plus f dash x dx equal to. Integration of g of x dx equal to g of x means g of x equal to e power x. So integration of e power x, f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Next, 316. Like this, you can find the remaining problems. 314. Integration of e power x power x 2 plus log x dx. E power x, take inside here 2 into x power x into log x dx. E power x, this we can write x power x plus x power x plus x power x log x dx. Integration of e power x power x take common 1 plus log x dx. This derivative is here. So the answer is e power x into x power x plus c. X power x derivative is x power x into 1 plus log x. Next, 315. Integration of e power x plus root of 1 plus x square into 1 plus 1 by root of 1 plus x square dx. E power x into this derivative is a multiply here, x plus root of 1 plus x square, this into this, plus x plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 plus x square. This derivative is this, x derivative is 1 plus this derivative is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x square into 2x. Get cancelled, take LCM, will get this is f of x